I went to Rapid City, got these double doors here. That works for me, and I ended up putting in an opening over here. That works for me too. But if you remember from a previous video, I said that the direction of the oak flooring has to be, it's best if it's perpendicular to the floor joist, which means that I need to modify the direction of my oak. So if we double click it, I'm going to use my isolate category feature, and we can see that this is fine going front to back for the oak and front to back for the oak here and front to back for the oak here, but it's not fine here. It should be going in the other direction. So all of the work I did there, I'm going to delete it now. And I need to, let's see, well, that's got to go. I know this is going to come across like that. And that's going to have to go also. And I'm just trying to figure out, you know, I have to put the opening for the, I have to bring my oak through here. So I guess this guy will have to go too. And I guess I can bring the oak through the archway here. Oops. Let's clean that up a little bit. All right, so I have to cut my opening here. So I'll reset my temporary height so I can see the opening there, and my oak is going to go through there and here. So I will just, I just break these guys and then clean them up. Okay, so that's the direction the floor is going to go there. And say okay. Then the direction of the floor here, and I'll bring it over to here too, should be in the other direction. So architecture, floor, what kind of floor is it? Still the oak. Let's draw the perimeter of that. So I'm going to go through here. Now underneath here, the floor joists are actually right now in the opposite direction, or the same direction in this little space right here. So that's not perfect. And let's see if I can do this. Okay, I like that. Let's see if there's a problem. If you take a look, Revit's giving us a warning, and I'm going to continue. I can see that there's something wrong right here. It highlighted that as kind of an orangish color. All right, there we go. Now, we need to change the direction, and that's basically what the purpose of this tutorial is. If I hover over the line and hit the tab key until it selects one of the lines, now I can rotate it, and I want to rotate that 90 degrees. Whoops, I didn't want to rotate that 90 degrees. It was fine. So I'll undo it. And the direction is fine. I'm okay with that. That was just a lucky break, I think. And so now I need to put the floor joists, or put the oak flooring in here. Architecture, floor, same stuff, so that's good. The line around here. You can see that the person that made this family, that door family from Revit, or from Revit City, didn't quite do it correctly. Cancel that. We can't save the, when we're doing this, we have to do the green check mark first. So I'm looking for my double arrow, so that's saying front to back, which is what I want. Let's see if we get it right. Nope, we didn't get that one right. So that's good. I can do my tutorial here on changing, hit the tab key until you find a line, and now rotate that 90 degrees. You can see the direction is correct now, and I'll save it. I have one more room to put the oak flooring in, and we'll do that real quick. The direction of that is, I don't want a floor. I don't want a door, I want a floor. 3/4 inch oak. I'll draw my lines. Actually, I can do it quicker if I just pick these two corners right here. And if I had picked those two corners, it would have been quicker. But we'll bring this over to here, and then I'm going to put this line in across here, and then down here, and across. And just like before, I just cut this guy and let Revit clean it up. The direction I want that floor to be in is front to back, span direction. Let's see if that does it. Sometimes it does, sometimes it doesn't. And it didn't this time. Pay attention to the span direction. So I'm going to hit the tab key, pick one of those lines, and just rotate it 90 degrees because it needs to be perpendicular. So one of the things architecturally that I'm really not crazy about, the change in direction right here. I might make that an archway, the way I made an archway here. But changing the direction of the oak was the big deal, and for the tutorial, so I'll stop it right here.